जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम योर होस्ट गुलिन नसरीन और आज की इस वीडियो में हम पंजाब पुलिस असिस्टेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर के पेपर PPS 16 को सॉल्व करेंगे। सो अवर फर्स्ट MCQs इज you want to insert a paragraph of text from one document to another document while still keeping it in the first document. You will do it by doing the following: cut and paste, copy and paste, delete and paste, insert and paste. The right answer is option B, copy and paste. Our second MCQs is in which year FIH International Hockey Federation was established? 1918, 1920, 1924, 1922. The right answer is option C, 1924. Our third MCQs is a college organized a function in which 1/3 of boys and 1/2 of girls are present. Total number of students present in 19, 110, 125. Data inadequate. The right answer is option D, data inadequate. Our fourth MCQs is Excel would evaluate the formula 20 multiply 10 over 5 into 8. The return this answer 5, 6.25, 320, 232. The right answer is option C, 320. Our fifth MCQs is in MS Word when we apply drop cap on a word, then default first character of this word drop to 3 lines, 5 lines, 2 lines, 8 lines. The right answer is option A, 3 lines. Our sixth MCQs is Union Jack is the name of flag of which country? United Kingdom, Ireland, Canada, Scotland. The right answer is option A, United Kingdom. Our seventh MCQs is what number increased by 20 of itself is equal to 102, 85, 90, 75, 185. The right answer is option A, 85. Our eighth MCQs is to convert a decimal number into binary number we use the method of repeated multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. The right answer is option B, division. Our ninth MCQs is a father is now 3 times as old as his son. 5 years back he was 4 times as old as his son. The age of son in year is 10, 12, 15, 18. The right answer is option C. Our 10th MCQs is find the average of all numbers between 6 and 34 which are divisible by 5, 15, 20, 25, 13. The right answer is option B, 20. Our 11th MCQs is solve 30% of 3300. 330, 990, 700, 1100. The right answer is option B, 990. Our 12th MCQs is evaluate square root into 248 plus square root of 64, 14, 26, 16, 36. The right answer is option C, 16. Our 13 MCQs is in MS Word which will show margins and the rules. Normal, page layout, page setup, review. The right answer is option B, page layout. Our 14 MCQs is for how many years did the Khalifat of Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu last? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. The right answer is option A, 2 years. Our 15 MCQs is which pillar of Islam is declared as armor? Salat, prayers, Som, fasting, Zakat, Hajj. The right answer is option B, Som. Our 16 MCQs is euphonous is the opposite of concordant, lethargic, harmonious, cacophonic. The right option is option D, cacophonic. Our 17 MCQs is in Excel you can sort data in ascending order, descending order, both A and B, none of these. The right option is option C, A and B. Our 18 MCQs is in which city the famous Wazir Khan Mosque located? Lahore, Thatta, Peshawar, Bahawalpur. The right option is option A, Lahore. Our 19 MCQs is The task force established by Pakistan Navy to defend CPEC's China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is called Task Force 75, Task Force 88, Task Force 90, Task Force 91. The right answer is option B, Task Force 88. Our 20th MCQs is cell is MS Excel can be uniquely identified by column letters and row numbers, columns, numbers and row letters, cell coordinate, none of these. The right option is option A, column, letters and rows, numbers. Our 21st MCQs is Montague Calmford's reforms introduced a system called monarch, theocracy, democracy, diarchy. The right answer is option C, D, diarchy. 22 MCQs is given that 543 multiplied 21 is equal to 11,403. Find the value of 1140.3 divided by 5.43. 210, 150, 120, 200. The right answer is option A, 210. Our 23 MCQs is average of 10 positive numbers is x. If each number is increased by 10, then x remains unchanged, may decrease, may increase, is increased by 10%. The right answer is option D, is increased by 10%. Our 24 MCQs is that 300 is the same as 0.3, 300.0, 300 0.03. The right answer is option D, 0.03. Our 25 MCQs is look. Choose the correct preposition to fill the blank. Look, there is a big spider dash the ceiling. At, in, on, off. The right answer is option C, on. Our 26 MCQs is there are two sections A and B of a class consisting of 36 and 44 students respectively. If the average weight of section A is 40 kg and that of section B is 35 kg, find the average weight of whole class. 30 kg, 35 kg, 37.25 kg, 42.50 kg. The right answer is option C, 37.25 kg. Our 27th MCQs is Mr. Antonio Guterres is serving as Secretary General of United Nations. To which country does he belong? Italy, Spain, Poland, Portugal. The right answer is option D, Portugal. Our 28 MCQs is Ria obtained 64, 67, 78, 82 and 85 out of 100 in different subjects. What will be the average? 70, 75, 80, 85. The right answer is option B, 75. Our 29th MCQs is the word Pentium is related to hard disk, DVD, printer, microprocessor. The right answer is option D, microprocessor. Our 13 MCQs is to print PowerPoint presentation press Control plus A, Control plus Shift plus P, Control plus P, Control plus S. The right answer is option C, Control plus P. Our 31st MCQs is Amazon is the best example. E-commerce, social networking, blogging, entertainment. The right answer is option A, e-commerce. Our 32 MCQs is Surat Al-Kawthar is short as Surah of Holy Quran. The number of its verses ayat is 3, 4, 5 less than 3. The right answer is option A, 3. Our 33 MCQs is by converting 75% into fraction. Answer will be 3 over 4, 2 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. The right answer is option A, 3 over 4. Our 34 MCQs is a computer cannot functions without Microsoft Office operating system, internet connector, antivirus protection. The right answer is option B, operating system. Our 35 MCQs is software that assist you or act on your behalf to perform repetitive computer related tasks is an intelligent robot, fuzzy logic, genetic algorithm. The right answer is option B, robot. Our 36th MCQs is Ali can complete an assignment in 5 days and Babar can complete the same assignment in 20 days. The time taken by both Ali and Babar to complete the assignment working together is 3 days, 4 days, 4 days, 2 days. The right answer is option C, 4 days. Our 37th MCQ is which planet is solar system is farthest from the sun? Mercury, Neptune, Venus, Mars. The right answer is option B, Neptune. Our 38th MCQ is if Kayla left a $10.47 tip on a breakfast that cost $87.25, what percentage was tip? 8.3, 12%, 13%, 14%. The right answer is option B, 12%. Our 39 MCQs is in MS Word 2007 dash is used to remove directly to specify location in a document, subdocuments, bookmarkers, cross-reference outlines. The right answer is option B, bookmarkers. Our 14 MCQs is in 2002 Amnesty International succeeded in having an optional protocol added to Children Human Rights Act in United Nations. This protocol raised the age at which states can legally recruit children into armed force to 18. What was the legal age under the act previously? 13, 16, 15, 14. Our right answer is option B, 16. Our 41 MCQs is Asghar can do a job in 16 days and both Asghar and Babar can do the same job in 20 days. Working together, Babar alone can do the same job in 20 days, 60 days, 28 days, 45 days. The right answer is option A, 20 days. Our 42 MCQs is how many Emirates comprise the United Arab Emirates? 8, 7, 6, 5. Option B, the right answer, 7. Our 43 MCQs is what is the width of badminton court for single court? 5.18 meters, 6.10 meters, 0.40 meters, 5.20 meters. The right answer is option A, 5.18 meters. Our 44 MCQs is if A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3 and B ratio 3, B ratio C is equal to 4 ratio 3, then find A ratio B ratio C. Option 8 ratio 12 ratio 9, 2 ratio 3 ratio 8, 2 ratio 3 ratio 9, 2 ratio 3 ratio 12. The right answer is option A, 8 ratio 12 ratio 9. Our 45 MCQs is a fruit seller purchases oranges at the same rate of 3 for Rs5 and sells them at 2 for price 4. His profit is transaction is 25%, 15%, 20%, 10%. The right answer is option C, 20%. Our 46 MCQs is a doll is sold for Rs 220. What was the cost of doll if rate of profit was 10% of the cost? 198, 200 to 10 to 40. The right answer is option B, 200. Our 47th MCQs is Albert Einstein was born in Oman, Germany, Iraq, Turkey. The right answer is option B, Germany. Our 48th MCQs is Albert Einstein was born in Oman, Germany, Iraq, Turkey. The right answer is option B, Germany. Our 48 MCQs is which is the first element depicted on the periodic table? Hydrogen, aluminium, oxygen, gold. The right answer is option A, hydrogen.